So the metaverse has been taking up a lot of space in people's head, and that's why the stock has been crashing like crazy. People are just not focused on the other aspects of Facebook's business that is generating income, or they're going to start generating massive income for it in the future. So in this video, we're going to talk about WhatsApp, Meta's secret weapon. And when we talk about this, you have to understand that this business has a lot of potential to grow really fast. In just the last earnings call, Mark said that this business had 80% year-over-year growth with click-to-message ads for WhatsApp. That's insane, man. So let's go over some of the bullish predictions that Mark Zuckerberg himself has to say about WhatsApp. Let's go over the metrics of what's happening with WhatsApp right now. But before we do, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm always providing you guys with so much new content. So click that like button, click that subscribe button right now. So after Mark Zuckerberg laid off 11,000 employees, look what he said. Zuckerberg says WhatsApp business chat will drive sales sooner than the metaverse, which is very crucial because everyone is down on the metaverse. No one knows where that's going to go and if they're ever going to generate money. But WhatsApp is just at its beginning of monetization, which is actually really critical because think about it. WhatsApp has over 2 billion users and it's very international. And they're looking to expand because they haven't monetized WhatsApp at all, like zero monetization of WhatsApp. So for them to start out right now, because they gotta regrow their brand and regrow their sales growth, as Meta was doing 15 to 20% sales growth. So if they can really hit on this WhatsApp click to message, man, this can go crazy. Mark Zuckerberg told employees on Thursday that WhatsApp and Messenger would drive the company's next wave of sales growth. Zuckerberg described the pair of messaging apps as being very early in monetizing, compared to his advertising juggernauts Facebook and Instagram, according to remarks heard by Reuters. We talk a lot about very long-term opportunities like the metaverse, but in reality, the business messaging is probably going to be the next major pillar of our business as we work to monetize WhatsApp and Messenger more. Meta enables consumers to speak and transact with merchants through the chat apps, including a new feature announced Thursday in Brazil. And this is where they're expanding. And people don't realize that in Brazil and India, it's so popular. Like a lot of these businesses need WhatsApp. Meta's WhatsApp makes Brazil a key test market for business messaging. WhatsApp messaging service will introduce a commercial directory and a test payments tool in Brazil as it bets on business messaging as a potential fresh source of revenue. Brazil, one of the app's biggest markets, will be the first country to see the new tools deployed outside pilot programs. The ultimate goal here is to make it so you can find, message, and buy from a business all in the same WhatsApp chat. Just realize the potential of WhatsApp. What can happen when they can actually get this down pat? Business messaging. Businesses already use WhatsApp to get in and out of businesses, to talk to their customers, to get like customer servers, all of that. So what happens when Facebook actually uses that to its advantage and actually monetize our people already doing that with WhatsApp and these different communities? And we're going to talk about the earnings call very soon because he actually mentions metrics when it comes to WhatsApp and what it can generate into the future or what it's been doing. And this goes to show you how popular WhatsApp is. 2 billion active users globally. It added 1 billion active users in the period of 2016 to 2020. WhatsApp is the most used instant messaging app in the world. 100 billion messages are exchanged on WhatsApp every day. India has the most WhatsApp users. WhatsApp is crucial in India, and Meta is going to do everything in its power to monetize off that, because look what they're introducing. Introducing the first end-to-end shopping experience WhatsApp with Joy Mart in India. Now you can actually use WhatsApp to shop in India just using the app. You don't have to move off of it. You can just go on WhatsApp, go and see what they're offering, what kind of products they're offering, like any kind of fruits, vegetables, whatever, and actually pay for it and have it delivered to your house. All that in WhatsApp, just going down the GeoMart catalog, which is actually pretty insane. And here's some pictures of it. So you can see how they're just rolling out this slowly and slowly. And this is going to become a huge part of their business, in my opinion. Can you imagine what can happen in 5 to 10 years with this? WhatsApp is also joining with Salesforce. Salesforce is WhatsApp partner to transform how people and business engage globally. And here comes the earnings call, because this earnings call showed me the potential of WhatsApp and how people are just underrating the whole WhatsApp segment. They're not even including that in their evaluation of Facebook. Like that's like a non-argument, like, oh, this 2 billion active users are like whatever is a zero at this point. We're going to hear from this earnings call of what Mark Zuckerberg said about WhatsApp. On Facebook specifically, the number of people using the service each day is the highest it's ever been. Nearly 2 billion, and engagement trends are strong. Instagram has more than 2 billion monthly actives. WhatsApp has more than 2 billion daily actives. Also, with the exciting trend in North America, it's now the fastest growing region. North America is still growing the fastest, even though people are saying it's dying, it's a dying business. But look what Mark is saying. It's saying it's still growing very fast, and it's their fastest region. Beyond Reels, messaging is another major monetization opportunity. Billions of people and millions of businesses use WhatsApp and Messenger every day, and we are confident that we can connect them in ways that create valuable experiences. We started with click-to-messaging ads, which lets businesses run ads on Facebook and Instagram that start a thread on Messenger, WhatsApp on Instagram Direct, so they can communicate with customers directly. And this is one of the fastest growing ads product with a 9 billion run rate annually. And this revenue is mostly on click to Messenger to date since we started there first, but click to WhatsApp just passed 1.5 billion run rate and growing more than 80% year over year. Just the run rate on WhatsApp is growing 80% year over year, guys. That's gonna compound fast in 5, 6, 7 years. Can you imagine if they can continue at 80%, 70%, 60%? That 1.5 billion run rate at 80%, it's already 1.2 billion. Like, that's gonna compound fast, and that's gonna add significant revenue to their top line. Maybe not now, but in 3, 4, 5, 6 years. And people are discounting that. They're not even talking about this whole new ad business that WhatsApp, that Mark Zuckerberg is getting into, because it's in the very early monetization phase of this. Paid messaging is another opportunity that we are starting to tap into, and it continues to grow quickly, but from a smaller base, we're putting the foundation in place now to scale with this key partnership like Salesforce. I just showed you that Salesforce partnership, which lets all businesses on their platform use WhatsApp as the main messaging service to answer customer questions and updates, sell directly in chat. We also launched Joy Mart WhatsApp in India, and it's our first end-to-end shopping experience that shows the potential for chat-based commerce through messaging. So between click-to-message and paid messaging, I'm confident that it's going to be a big opportunity. So Mark Zuck is telling you what's happening with the company, what the company can have a potential lead in, what it's doing. But man, no one's talking about this huge opportunity for WhatsApp. WhatsApp has 2 billion active users, gaining users every day, every month, and it's under monetized. It never even started to monetize that. So what happens when they start using payments in WhatsApp? What happens when they start running more ads in WhatsApp? When they connect with customers more in WhatsApp? Guys, the potential is literally endless. It's been growing 80% annually, run rate, 1.5 billion run rate. So that is crazy. Guys, this has a significant upwards trend. If this has the potential in 5 to 6 years to contribute more than 10 billion into actual revenue growth, that is very significant for the future of Meta, guys. So guys, tell me what you think about this whole WhatsApp messaging and the whole Facebook messaging. And this 1.5 billion 80% run rate is just for WhatsApp. That's not even including the Facebook Messenger that they're using to run their ads in. So man, there's a lot of potential, guys. So guys, tell me what you think about this. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll get back to you in the next video.